Hey friends, and welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I wanted to share with you a quick hot cocoa sign. So for this sign I am using this sign that was at the Dollar Tree in the summer, and I just took the stickers off of the back. I got this because I knew that I was going to want to use it to make some sort of mason jar, mug, cup craft for some sort of sign sometime throughout the year. So I am just going to take off the twine that is hanging the sign, and I am going to spray paint it this white spray paint color. It's heirloom white. You can paint it any way you want though. You can use acrylic paints or chalk paints if you prefer to paint it that way. So I am just putting my twine back inside my sign, and I am going to use the hot chocolate decal stickers that are from the Dollar Tree as well. So I used this for another project when Ayla and I made the Rae Dunn dupe ornaments. So if you want to see that video, I will link that for you guys too. But I've used this now this is the second DIY, so this decal sure got a lot of use out of it, and I am just going to put hot cocoa. So I am cutting out the letters that I'm going to need for that. I forgot that I stuck an A on the back of it. Whew, almost cut that A off, but I saved it there at the end. So I'm just cutting out the letters that I'm going to need. And I am just going to apply these to the sign. If you want, you can use your scissors and cut the plastic kind of as close to the letter as you really want, but I wasn't too concerned about it. They are clear, so I just peeled them off and stuck hot cocoa right on my sign. What's great about using this wall decal as your decals for the sign too is that they are repositionable. So if you want to scoot letters over or move them higher or change out what you're saying, you can do that because they just kind of peel right off the sign. After I got the words on the sign, I decided that I was going to use some cotton balls to kind of look like whipped cream or marshmallows were inside of my hot cocoa. So I just kind of got out my cotton balls. These are also at Dollar Tree to see kind of how many I wanted to put, if I kind of liked them there, if I wasn't feeling it, if I was digging it. I decided I was going to use them, but first I was going to kind of make some actual hot chocolate inside of my mug. So I'm just kind of drawing a little oval onto my cup so I can fill it in with some brown paint. So my cup is filled with some hot cocoa. And I'm just using a brown acrylic paint to fill in this oval, and I just do one coat. But if you want to do more than one coat, that's fine. I just knew that I was covering up with a lot of the cotton balls, so I wasn't super concerned about it. And then I popped those cotton balls back on top to see how I felt about them, and I just felt they were like really big marshmallows for my hot cocoa. So I ended up taking each cotton ball and cutting it in half and kind of making some mini marshmallows to fill my hot cocoa mug, and I liked that a lot better. And there we have all of my cotton balls cut in half. And I'm just using E6000 to glue these into place, but you can use any sort of glue. I probably would have used just white school glue if I had it lying around, but I couldn't find it, so I pulled out my glue so I could get these cotton balls in place. And I felt like it was just missing one more thing, so I decided to just take some twine and wrap it on the bottom of my sign. Really, you can use this as an opportunity to match the decor and the holiday decor you have in your home. So if you're into like buffalo plaid, you can match the ribbon on the bottom of your mug, and I think that's a great way to tie this piece in from a winter piece to kind of more of a holiday piece. But I like more neutral things, so I just went ahead and I tied the twine on the bottom like this, and I just think it looks so cute. I'm so excited about my big giant hot cocoa mug, and I have it here set up with our hot cocoa. And also I found that if you tie the twine or the ribbon on the bottom like this, you can actually use it to hold packets of hot cocoa. So if you wanted to just put the word cocoa up higher, you could have it say cocoa and tuck in some packs of cocoa mix so you can see the words and the mix at the same time. I thought it was just really cute. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Send some holiday cheer my way and give it a big thumbs up. Tap that bell and let me know down in the comments what kind of holiday crafts have you been working on. Have you guys made anything this holiday season? Bye, guys.